Listen to me. Before we talk about how to stop getting distracted, we need to understand that nothing is wrong with you. You're not lazy, you're not undisciplined, and you're definitely not the one who's struggling with focus. Every NEET aspirant struggles with this one, and every person who's distracted right now with the phone struggles with this one. Every single one. And you know what's actually happening with this is when you actually sit to study, your brain immediately starts looking for an escape. And it's definitely not because you don't want to study. It's because your brain prefers things that feels easy, quick and instantly rewarding. And studying definitely does not give that, at least not immediately. Think about it. As soon as you open your books, your brain knows that it will not give you instant reward. It will not give you instant gratification. It won't give you any enjoyment right now. It will take efforts. Studying will take efforts. But the moment you start seeing your phone, you get instant entertainment. There's colors, sound, movement, new videos, laughter, dance, everything that's moving very fast, instantly grabbing your attention. Obviously, your brain will think, why would I study so much when I can get instant rewards, instant gratification in just 2 seconds by using my phone? And it's literally how your brain is wired. And it's literally how these entertainment platforms are made. And it's literally how social media works. These social media apps are made to steal your attention, to steal your focus, and to give you instant rewards that studies does not give you. So when you keep using these social media apps for all day long, your brain is overstimulated. It gets used to scrolling, it gets used to reels, shorts, and it gets used to switching every 3 seconds. And that's exactly why when you finally sit to study physics, organic chemistry, physical chemistry, or even biology, everything feels very slow. Everything feels very boring. Even 10 minutes feels very irritating. Your mind starts roaming everywhere. Not because the subject is very boring, but because there is silence everywhere. You're not stimulated every 3 seconds for the instant reward. So, how to overcome these distractions? First of all, stop blaming yourself. These apps are made in such a way to grab your attention, to steal your focus, to give you instant pleasure, to give you instant reward and instant gratification. Stop blaming yourself because you're already fighting physics along with technology at the same time. Now what you actually do? You don't fix your broken focus by actually trying and fighting to study harder. If your phone is placed right next to you on your study table with screen up, popping notifications, trust me, even the toppers find it very difficult and they lose their focus. So willpower doesn't save you in this situation. You make focusing easier by making distraction harder. When you keep your phone in another room or switch off all of your notification, or in fact switching off your phone, or keeping it out of sight so that it is out of your mind, it actually becomes very easy. Your urge to use your phone decreases. When your phone is switched off and you sit with only one thing to study, when you focus all of your attention on that one particular chapter of that one particular subject, then everything feels very easy. Your urge decreases and you start to enjoy the subject again. When you stop switching between 10 open tabs or 10 notifications from different apps, your mind starts settling faster and your brain stops feeling pulled in multiple directions. So the environment matters more than the motivation. And then comes the part that students mostly ignore, that is training your brain again. Right now, your brain is constantly stimulated and it will not suddenly start focusing for 3 hours straight. Start with just 10 minutes of studies. No phones, no notifications, just one book. Just sit and study. And your goal is not to study very deeply in those 10 minutes. The goal is just to sit without your phone. The goal is to teach your brain to sit without getting stimulated or without looking for stimulation once again. And once these 10 minutes feel very comfortable, start with 20 minutes of studies, then start with 30 minutes and so on. And that's how your focus and attention span will increase. Your focus grows because your brain learns to slow down once again. And sometimes some rituals before studying also helps most students. So the important message to take from this video is that distraction is not a very big enemy. It's just your habit pattern that your brain has fallen into. And now your habits will change with small, consistent efforts. So stop being very harsh on yourself. Start making your environment quitter. Put your phone in another room when you start studying. Start practicing focus in small doses. Start practicing focus with small study time sessions and give your brain the time to slow down. And trust me, once your brain learns to slow down, it will eventually increase the focus in the right direction that is required, that is your studies. So with this note, we'll end this video. So I also have an announcement to make. If you're a serious NEET aspirant and want one-on-one personal guidance from me myself, then I've started my mentorship program where I give various mindset shifts, the revision schedules based on your strengths and your weaknesses, various tips, tricks and hacks, and obviously an accountability partner, that is me myself. So if you're a serious NEET aspirant and want one-on-one personal guidance from me, then do not forget to message me directly on my WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number and the further details of the mentorship program are given in the pinned comment and also in the description box. And if you found this video useful, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video.